Project sprawling faster than a cattle stampede. Reckon you need a new sheriff. Huckleberry turns Copilot Chat into a ticket-taming workhorse. Scale up your code-based cowboy. This here's Huckleberry, an experimental VS Code extension that wrangles GitHub Copilot Chat into your own rambling project manager. Grab the freshest Huckleberry Task Manager release, mosey onto extension, install that bad boy, and rope it in. Turns thorny product specs into straight shooting plain talk. No more scratching them into desert rock.
But when you call, I'm already there.
Choose your poison. We favor Claude 3.7 Sonnet for wordsmithing, or 3.5 when the combo gets code heavy. Pick whatever keeps hallucinated Elvis lyrics from sneaking into your diff. Feed the beast a clear brief. Like Doc Holliday said, I'm your Huckleberry. Just hand me the spec. Just remember, trust but verify partner. Make the agent walk the code corral and tighten the fences.
There's a hush in your chest like a lonesome rail. I'll set it rumbling with a steel string wail. If doubt's the marshal with a chain so tight, I'll pick that lock with a rhyme tonight. Every flash flood, every courthouse bluff, I stand up tough when the road gets rough. From corner stoop to the mountain dairy, got heart and grit, your Huckleberry.
One command and Huckleberry slices that spec into bite-sized tickets. Ask polite before committing, like any well-mannered outlaw. Need tighter knots. Say the word and it'll string every task back to the source doc. No loose reins.
Your Huckleberry. When hope's on the ropes and the crowd grows thin, we trade tears for
Hit next task, lean back, and code quicker than a saloon pianist after last orders.
Road dust into golden shell. Say Barry.
No more paper tumbleweeds. Just straight shoot and focus. Strap on Huckleberry, feed it a spec, shout next task, and let the new sheriff run the town. Time to push and ride into the sunset. Happy trails, partner.
I'm your Huckleberry call and the posse grows. We flip hard times into sold out shows. Ready to blaze,